In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva AI code generator. We'll walk through how to open Canva, find the AI tools, type in a prompt, generate content, and then refine and edit what the AI creates so you can use it in your designs. First, open Canva. You can either launch the Canva app on your device or go to the Canva website in your browser. If you are not already logged in, log into your account or create a free account so you can access the Canva AI features. Once you are on the homepage, you are ready to start using the Canva AI tools. Now let's access the AI feature from the homepage. On the main Canva home screen, look for the option called Canva AI. Click on that. This opens a chat-like interface where you can talk to the AI directly. Here you will see options such as Design for Me or Create an Image. This area is where you can quickly ask Canva AI to create designs, images, or other content based on what you type. Think of it as your main AI hub inside Canva. Next, let's see how to access AI tools from inside the editor. Open or create any design like a presentation, a social media post, or a video. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on the Apps menu. Inside Apps, use the search bar to find specific AI tools. You can search for tools like Magic Media, which can help generate media content, or Text to Image, which lets you turn written prompts into images. Clicking on any of these tools will open them inside the editor, so you can work right on your canvas. From here, it's time to input a prompt. This is where you tell Canva AI exactly what you want it to create. Type a detailed description into the chat box or the prompt box for the tool you're using. If you are creating images or videos, be specific about the style, lighting, and subject matter. For example, instead of just saying a website layout, you might say a clean, modern website layout in dark mode with blue accent buttons, simple icons, and a clear call to action section. The more details you give, the better Canva AI can match what you have in mind. Now generate the content. After you've typed your detailed prompt, click the Generate or Create button depending on the tool you're using. Then wait a few moments while Canva AI processes your request. The time this takes can vary, but usually it's pretty quick. Canva will then display the generated results such as images, clips, or design elements based on your prompt. Once the AI has produced the results, it's time to refine and edit. The generated content will appear in the results area, and in many cases, it will also be added directly to your design. You can click and drag it into place on your canvas. From here, you can move it, resize it by dragging the corners, and position it exactly where you want within your layout. This is where you make the AI content fit your overall design. If you're working with images, select any image that Canva AI generated and use the editing tools to make adjustments. You can crop the image, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, apply filters, or remove the background if that option is available to you. These tools help you fine-tune the image so it looks consistent with the rest of your project. For videos, you can take the AI-generated video clips and build them into a full video design. Add other elements like text, graphics, icons, or shapes over the video. You can also add transitions between scenes, trim clips, and adjust timing on the timeline to create a smooth final video that feels polished and on-brand. Finally, you can enhance your designs even more using other AI tools inside Canva. For example, you can use tools like SmartWrite to generate text for headings, descriptions, or captions, or to polish and rewrite content you already have. This helps keep your visuals and your text aligned and professional without needing to write everything from scratch. And that's it. Now you know how to open Canva, access Canva AI from the homepage and from the editor, input a detailed prompt, generate content, and then refine and edit images, videos, and designs using Canva's AI tools.